one more. They do these things pretty good these days. Yeah, Mommy needs to get the wheels off. No. Okay, let's get it off.
Oh, I'm so concerned now.
He's had a concerned look on his face.
Yeah, the big tractor. A big tractor.
Oh, that's a good one.
That's
a good one.
It's a green one. This is a green one.
Oh, a green one.
Look out for the coffee. We're going to have to move the coffee.
Oh, coffee, please. Who's Thomas, please?
Jasper, who's that from?
Who's the tractor from?
Granddaddy.
Okay, yeah, Granddaddy and Granny.
And Granny.
All right, Jasper disappeared.
He's